We're here at the AI4 conference in beautiful Las Vegas. What we're doing here today is we've got a nice, really cool, immersive haunted house experience. Kind of simulate that fear of agentic access to your sensitive data, right? So from a Kiteworks perspective, we're helping you lock down those agents and human users with a policy engine that is a runtime inspection of those activities, and we're able to dynamically give you different levels of access to secure and prevent unfiltered and unfettered access to your most sensitive data. If you guys want to hear more about us or talk to us and get a demo, please come to www.kiteworks.com, and looking forward to talking to you.